Hello everybody and welcome to another adventure on Wondermely's English Planet. How's that quarantine going? I hope everybody's okay, that you're staying home, that you're washing your hands, that you're practicing your English, and that you're staying safe and taking care of yourselves and your families. Today we're going to finish with parts of the body. Last video we did midsection and arms, right? So today we're going to do lower body and we're going to talk about our legs. And then we should finish for now with body parts. Okay, so let's get started. The first part of the body that I want to talk about today is your, oh, I have a picture here. Look at this. This part right here, this, okay, I'm gonna go in red. I'm gonna mark it in red. So this part right here, you see it? So that part. Any ideas? That part is your hips. I'm going to stand up for a moment. Remember, this is your waist, but these are your hips. Do you know Shakira? Shakira, the artist, she's really good with shaking her hips. Her hips don't lie. So those are your hips. Remember, waist, we did this in the other video, and these are your hips. So we spell it this way. Let's do it. So hips is H-I-P-S. So you have one hip, two hips, right? So let's look at it again. So you have one hip, two hips, okay? All right, and you shake your hips when you're going to dance, all right? All right, so those are your hips. Next part that I want to talk about, students, this part, and I'm not going to show you mine, but this part right here, I'm going to make it in red. What about that part right there? That's your, what do we call that? We have many things that we call that part, right? But we're gonna keep it nice. We're going to say your behind, right? So we're gonna spell it like this. B-E-H-I-N-D, your behind or your bottom, okay? So we'll do B-O-T-T-O-M. We're gonna keep it nice. We have other terms and other slang for that. You can send me a message and I will tell you, okay? So that's your bottom or your behind, okay? This part right here, yeah? Okay, good. All right, what do we have next? Oh, this part, students. I'm gonna put it in red. This part right here, look at this part, okay? We have two of them. So this part and this part, right? So this part. Any ideas what we call that? This part right here is your thigh. Now, my students, TH sound again. Look at this. You're never going to escape the TH sound. It's our favorite sound. So we have your thigh. It's not a tie. A tie is something different, but we're going to spell T-H-I-G-H. So one thigh, two thighs. Let's practice that pronunciation. Thigh. Look at this. TH. Thigh. One thigh, two thighs. Okay? Not tie, because tie is something different. Tie is something you wear around your neck. But yes, so you have your thighs. Can I show you my thighs? I don't know. So this part, from here to here, is your thigh. Okay? Two thighs. Thigh, TH. Okay, so we have our thighs. What else do I want to show you? Ooh, this part, students. What do we call these right here? We call those that part. We call those your knees. Now, the spelling for this one is a little strange and pronunciation is a little different. So we spell it like this. We do K-N-E-E, one knee, two knees, right? Notice we spell it with a K at the beginning, but we say knee. We don't say knee, no knee, that's incorrect. We say knee, all right? So those are your knees, right? Sometimes when you go to the doctor, they check, I don't know, I can't show you, my legs won't go that high, but they check your knees, right? So your knees, right there. So this is your thigh, your knees, okay? All right, what else do I have right here? Oh, students, okay, so I have this part right here. Where's my red? Oh, what did I do with the red? Did I lose my red marker? Oh no, it's right here. This part right here, students, this is in the front of the body, right? Because this is the front, this is the back. So this part right here, this one right here, it's called a shin. Now, sounds a little similar like the chin, but look at this. This one is chin. This one is like shin, right? So we spell it this way. Okay, do S-H-I-N. So it's not the chin, but the shin, okay? Yeah, so it's this part right here. Yeah. Like be quiet, shin. Yeah. But the back, in the back, right here, this part right here, in the back of the body is your calf, okay? And we spell it like this, C-A-L-F, your calf, okay? So the calf is this part in the back. This in the front is the shin. This one is the calf, okay? So notice, students, we have two, but in this situation, we have calf, we have two, we change it, calves, yeah? Calves, okay? And shin, you could do shins, yeah? Okay, so what else do I want to talk about, students? So we have, oh, yes, this part right here, we have, what are these? I think everybody knows this one. What are these? These are your feet. Yes, your feet. How do we spell feet? So your feet, we do F-E-E-T, your feet, okay? We say feet because it's plural. It's two of them. So I'm going to put 2 feet, right? 2 feet. Do you know the singular of this word when you have one? Or, for example, you have pain in one. You don't say 1 feet, say 1 foot. So I'm going to do 1 foot, F-O-O-T. The plural is feet, okay? So 1 foot and 2 feet. It's not feet, no S, no S. This is an irregular noun, okay? So we have 1 foot, 2 feet, okay? Same thing, you have a right foot and a left foot. Remember yesterday, your left side with an L, right? So we have 1 foot, 2 feet. Yeah, good? All right, and what else do I have that I want to talk about? Ooh, this part, my students. This part right here, I'm going to talk about here. This part right here, before your feet, right here. Oh, here, in here. I'll show you. I think I'll show you with my leg if I can. This part, right here. This one is your ankle, okay, with an A, ankle. It's not your uncle. Your uncle is your mother or your father's brother, not your uncle, your ankle. So let's do this, ankle. We spell it A-N-K-L-E, the ankle, all right? I have one ankle, two ankles. I don't know if I can lift my leg up again, but I'll put a picture over here somewhere. Okay, so we have thigh, knees, shin, like shin, ankles, and then your feet. And on your feet, let's look at these right here. Oops, there you go. Those are not fingers, okay? No fingers, but we call them toes. So 1 toe, 5 toes. So toes, we spell it T-O-E-S. So 1 toe, 5 toes. So we have 5 and 5, 10 toes. 10 fingers, 10 toes, okay? And I think that's it. Oh, I'm going to talk about one more thing that I wasn't going to talk about, but I remembered right now. In the part of your foot, let's see if I could do this again. Right here, that part, this one, is your heel. Your heel. We spell it this way. We do H-E-E-L for 1 heel and 2 heels, yeah? The heels, students, for the ladies or whoever wants to wear them, we have high heels because they make you a little bit taller, right? So we call the shoe high heels. I'm gonna put a picture over here. Okay, students, so let's review everything. And then we'll finish with parts of the body. For now, there are many, many more, but you know, we're just beginning for now. So this part, the hips, okay? The hips, like Shakira, move your hips. Like hip hop music, you move your hips. Okay, so your hips. Then you have your thighs. Remember, students, not ties, thighs, T-H, right? Then you have your knees right here. Here you have the bottom or your behind right here. Sometimes you say your booty. It's a little slang for you. Then you have here in the front, you have the shin, and then you have the calves, right? So calf, calves. Then you have your ankle, not your uncle, but your ankle, okay? And then you have your feet, 1 foot, 2 feet, right? And then on your feet, you have your toes. And this part in the back, you have the heels, right? Your high heels. Good. All right, students. So as always, if you liked your lesson, please give me a thumbs up. This was from the other class. Hit like, hit share with everybody. Share virtually now because you can't go outside and tell your neighbor. You have to tell them, you know, send them a text. Oh, tell your WhatsApp group. That's very hot right now. So tell your WhatsApp group, tell your classmates, tell everybody, and I will see you next time. Please stay safe. I love you. I miss you all. Thank you for all your messages, and we will get through this together. Bye-bye.